All right, so this is Whirlpool.
No.
How old is it?
1986.
1986 Whirlpool. It's got a
Restored.
Bristol or coat.
Maybe not restored, but has a new paint job.
Semi-restored.
Yeah.
Here's the furnace. You can look up in there and everything.
The new Whirlpool logo.
It's pretty cool.
Has a new blower in this.
So got the energy guide sticker for the furnace.
The coil, we used what I had left of coil cleaner, so we cleaned that as much as I could get with what I got. I ran out of coil cleaner mid-process.
Look down there at the
finally got
heat exchanger.
to a good point. And the indoor stuff. Furnace and evaporator coil. This is all untouched. I haven't messed with any of this yet. However, this right here, which is the focus of the video, is restored.
This is a brand new motor from about a year ago. New cap and everything. Wires, all that.
Paint job on the blade. That logo, notice that has like a slight brown tint to it.
Yeah, it does have a brown tint to it with the light on it.
It's interesting. Came out good.
Let's see the fan.
It's on a pallet now that we built. Soon it'll be hooked
I'll include
up.
some pictures when we had it apart in the corner.
Soon it's gonna be hooked up.
Trying to get to the coil.
The two blades up in there. The two blades.
Also, this is not refrigerant in this. This is water when we rinsed it out earlier. Ow. Just white twisting my
job.
ankle.
Came out pretty good. It's a little spotty, but that's spray paint for you. The new logo looks really nice.
I really see the fan from a distance here.
That new pallet.
Custom built pallet specifically for these.
Yep.
Are we able to open this up somehow?
Oh yeah.
So just pull up.
Yeah. Those burners.
Boom, right on the screw so it doesn't touch the paint.
I still have to mess with this. I actually haven't touched the furnace. I've only done the condenser. I still have to work on this furnace.
Hey, look, there's a wire nut just sitting down there.
The 3 burners. Igniter and crap like that.
This is, I don't know how this part comes out. Bottom part.
Pull up. It's just in there good.
There we go. I was pulling on the part of that too, because there's a lip here, and there's also like a lip on this, and it just sets on it. And I was pulling on that.
Button.
Gas.
And there's no control board. Unless it's inside of this. I haven't opened it.
Yeah.
I haven't actually opened it yet.
We could open it real quick. It looks like it's only 2 screws in the front. Yeah, just 2 screws in the front. Might as well open that. Let's open that up real quick. All right, loosen the screws up so we can actually get them off. It's on an angle now. This one's long.
Yep.
There it is.
What's of it? There's just a relay, basically.
Pretty much, yeah. You can get a pretty good angle of it from the bottom.
Not much to these things. It's a little door.
Yeah. Little itty bitty. Yeah. Just get it started back in there. Where'd you put the other?
It's in there.
Here, sealing up confidential parts. Confidential. Except when servicing.
And there's the tag in there.
Monoxide poisoning. Oh yeah. Oops, sorry. I didn't even notice the model and serial right there. 1983. I hear Casper scratching himself in the distance.
There's another decal right here. For closet instructions.
Some sort of piece here. Not sure where this went, but it's gone right there for now. With a danger and some screws back in there too. Yeah, I found this piece back in there. I thought that just like attached back there, but it doesn't.
Not sure what that goes to.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. There's a lot to this thing though.
What's that thing? It's a timer of some sort.
Yeah, load fan line and load limit. I'm not sure. And then here's the coil for it, which looks relatively good for
86.
Yeah. Relatively clean.
Not terrible for 86.
Yeah. Well, that's the furnace. Here's the outdoor.
Well, I get these things.
We also have the original disconnect.
And this bad boy had seen better days. You're about to see.
Oh, wow. It's like all rusted gone on the bottom.
Yep. It's all flip. It's a 60 amp. When we were working on these units and I had to shut the things off, it was kind of sketchy. Sticking my hand in here.
I can understand why. I mean, like, you can literally just tear a chunk off.
Here, you want some rust for dinner?
Ah, yes, tetanus. Crunch.
Enjoy.
Crunch.
$1986 disconnect. I'd imagine there's supposed to be a plate in here that's missing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right there, probably.
What's this one? So there's a little plate.
Yeah, right there.
But there's more.
Here's the hole.
In my pile.
But there's more.
There is. Wait, isn't it in here? Yeah, it is. Down in here is the manual.
Wow.
That's the manual from
The original manual from
I'll take all this crap out. Just my little collection of parts. Here's the original manual. A limited warranty. kind of crusty. Yeah, that is from it, I believe, right there. That model. Replacement parts. With a big picture of the unit.
With mold.
Featuring mold. Kind of cool. Pretty fragile. Each time you mess with it, it's gonna fall apart a little more.
Like Rogers thermostat.
I don't even know why I have this mark. It's bad. I just put a B on the one. Oh yeah, earlier today, that GMC logo.
GMC logo. There we go. Alright, the pieces on now. This is pretty difficult one-handed. Get in line. Line over there? Yeah, okay.
You got it. Now let's go visit the cat.
Okay.
Go visit the cat. Go see the cat.